Hello all brothers and sisters, and aunt and uncle have returned to the YouTube channel, Healthy Living Food. Today, I will share with you guys, sisters, and aunts a video, how to make dried jackfruit with a crispy, dry oil-free fryer at home. Vietnam is a country with a hot and humid tropical climate with a lot of rain. So in the summer, there are countless kinds of attractive fruits waiting for us. Has the use of fresh fruits, processed into salads or cool smoothies become too familiar to you? YouTube channel, Healthy Living Nutrition Food, Vietnam will introduce to you how to make dried jackfruit with a delicious oil-free fryer, easy to make at home. Join the YouTube channel, Healthy Food, learn the nutritional value of how to make dried jackfruit with a delicious oil-free fryer. And the benefits of this hot nutritional food. Jackfruit is a nutritious food. Jackfruit is a great source of vitamin C that helps strengthen the immune system very effectively. Jackfruit also contains a lot of vitamin A, a nutrient that has a great effect in maintaining the health of eyes and skin. Besides, jackfruit is rich in magnesium, a nutrient that is important in calcium absorption and works with calcium to help strengthen bones and prevent bone-related disorders such as osteoporosis. Ingredients for making dried jackfruit. Ingredients for 2 to 3 people to eat: 500 g peeled jackfruit, 2 fresh lemons, 1 teaspoon table salt, 3 tablespoons sugar. How to make dried jackfruit with an oil-free fryer. Step 1. Prepare ingredients. To get a delicious dried jackfruit dish with a good oil-free fryer, choosing jackfruit is very important. Should choose ripe jackfruit trees, round shape, no concave. Press on the spines with your hands to feel soft. The pods turn yellow-brown. The spines are large and sparse. Pay attention to the stem of the jackfruit. If little sap comes out, the jackfruit is old. Natural ripe jackfruit will be very fragrant, thick, golden and sweet. After buying jackfruit, separate the seeds and pulp. Tear jackfruit into bite-sized pieces, because when dried, the jackfruit will shrink, so be careful not to tear it too small. You can use the whole jackfruit, but only take the big, yellow ones. Step 2. Soak jackfruit. After tearing the jackfruit, wash it with water several times to clean the plastic. Remember to wash your hands gently lest you crush the jackfruit. Prepare a bowl of clean water, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Squeeze the juice of 2 lemons and mix it in a bowl of water. Put the jackfruit in it and soak it for about 15 minutes. Take out the soaked jackfruit, squeeze out the water. Step 3. Drying jackfruit. Divide the jackfruit into several times to dry the jackfruit evenly. You can add a layer of parchment paper to the bottom of the pot, stacking jackfruit on top. Set the pot temperature to the lowest setting for 4 hours. If you don't have an air fryer but you have an oven, you can also use the oven and set it to the lowest temperature. Making dried jackfruit with an oil-free fryer is not difficult, but it takes a lot of time, right? You should not be impatient but shorten the time by increasing the heat. Because at high temperature, it is difficult to control the dryness and brittleness of jackfruit, which is easy to burn. A small note in the process of drying jackfruit: you should open the pot to heat first and then put the jackfruit in for drying. Thus, jackfruit is both more crispy and crispy, while increasing the life of the air fryer. Step 4. Use and maintain. After the jackfruit is finished drying, remove it from the pot and let it cool. Put the jackfruit in a sealed box or a drip bag to preserve it and avoid mold. How to make dried jackfruit with this oil-free fryer is very simple. Anyone can do it. Just a few simple steps. You have a delicious plate of dried jackfruit for the whole family. Get together with family and friends and enjoy your achievements. You are watching the video at the YouTube channel, Healthy Food Nutrition. Click subscribe to the channel now. and regularly watch the videos at this channel, Healthy Living Food, to get a lot of useful knowledge about nutrition and good health. Please turn on the subtitles if you can't hear clearly. Currently, our YouTube channel does not have the budget to record the actual video. We look forward to your help. Please subscribe to our channel and regularly follow our videos. When eligible, we will invest in making actual Vietnamese cultural dishes to share with you. Thank you for watching. How to make dried jackfruit with an oil-free fryer is super easy to learn by the sisters. Dried fruit is one of the most popular snacks when Tet comes in the spring. Among the dried fruits, the dried jackfruit is the most loved by many people. Everyone has to admit that the crispy, juicy, and sweet pieces of dried jackfruit are very addictive. How to make dried jackfruit with an oil-free fryer. Ingredients: Thai jackfruit, lemon, salt, oil-free fryer. First, you should choose fresh Thai jackfruit. Lemon, salt, oil-free fryer. First, you should choose fresh Thai jackfruit, medium ripe, not too raw but not too ripe. Then, separate the jackfruit pulp and soak it in diluted lemon juice. Lemon makes jackfruit not stick together and cleaner pus, plastic. You soak jackfruit for about 2 to 3 minutes, then take it out to drain. Pick out the jackfruit and mix it with a little salt to make it more flavorful. Note that it's just a little salt. If you accidentally add a lot, the jackfruit will be salty and not delicious. Put jackfruit in an oil-free fryer. Set the lowest temperature and dry the jackfruit for 4 hours. If you don't have an air fryer but have an oven, you can also use the oven and set the lowest temperature. After drying the jackfruit, everyone leave the jackfruit outside to cool and enjoy. You can also put jackfruit in an airtight container, keep it in a cool place and use it gradually. With this dish we can use within 3 months. Jackfruit is a great source of vitamin C that helps strengthen the immune system very effectively. Jackfruit also contains a lot of vitamin A, a nutrient that has a great effect in maintaining the health of eyes and skin. Besides, jackfruit is rich in magnesium, a nutrient that is important in calcium absorption and works with calcium to help strengthen bones and prevent bone-related disorders such as osteoporosis. The information above can hopefully help you understand more about the effects as well as other information of the video. How to make dried jackfruit with a crispy, dry oil-free fryer at home. This is a food with many health benefits. So, quickly add it to your weekly meal plan. Above is the knowledge shared by the Healthy Living Nutrition Food channel. Hope to help you, sisters, friends, uncles to improve knowledge. Please click subscribe channel, click like button, share channel. Healthy nutrition food, let more people know these knowledges. Hello and see you again, next videos. Thank you for following up. Thank you for clicking subscribe to my channel to help me.